morning student, this is Preeti More and I welcome you all today's YouTube video. Today we are going to see, yes, in the last video only we have just started unit 7 present tense. When we use the present tense and so many examples also we have seen. So let's see in the brief what is present tense and when we use the present tense. So basically we use present tense to say the general truth, habitual action and to express our feeling. And the formula also we have just seen. What is the formula of the present tense? Subject plus verb V1 plus yes or es plus object. This was the formula we have learned in the last video. When the subject is singular, that time we use yes or es to the verb. So this is the formula of the present simple present tense, and we use simple present tense to say the general truth, habitual action and our feelings. Now again we have just seen the present continuous tense. We use present continuous tense to say or to show the action is going on right now, the action is happening right now. And what formula we have learned about the present continuous tense? Subject plus am, is, are plus V1 plus ing plus object. This is the formula of the present continuous tense. Here we use the auxiliary verb am, is, are and we use V1 ing to show the action is happening and the action is going on. So this formula we have learned in the last video. Examples also we have seen. Focus exercise A we just had completed. Practice also we had completed. Now today we are going to see the practice exercise B. So I hope student in the last video only you have understood what is the present tense. We use present tense to say the general truth, habitual action and the feeling, and the formula also we have seen with so many examples. Homework also I hope I had given you. Present continuous tense, this also we have covered in the last video only, just to show the action is happening and to show the action is going on. And the formula is subject plus am, is, are. When the subject is singular, that time we use is. When the subject is plural, that time we use are. And when I is there, I is the singular but this is the exceptional I, where we use only am plus V1 ing plus object. Now let's see today practice exercise B. So I just rub this for the brief knowledge and for the revision only. I just written this. Now let's complete practice exercise B. Now what instruction is there? Fill in the blanks by choosing the suitable form of the verb for the following sentences. Now sentences are there and the verbs, two verbs are there. We just have to identify, we just have to write the correct word which will be suitable in the blank space. So let's do the first one. The first sentence is Sahil, blank space is there, in the bracket cooks oblique is cooking. dinner for double N, dinner for all the guests let's go and help him. Now you also can see two verbs are there. The first one is cook and the second is with auxiliary verb is cooking. Now just understand the meaning of the sentence, whether it is the present, simple present, or it is present continuous. Sahil blank space dinner for all the guests, let's go and help him. Let's go and help him means चलो उसे मदद करते हैं. That means he is cooking, his action is going on. So what will come here is cooking. So Sahil is cooking dinner for all the guests, let's go and help him. Now the second sentence, Namita is a professional photographer. That is why she always blank space carries and oblique is carrying. Now Namita is professional photographer. That means this is the general truth, and to say the general truth we use simple present tense. Namita is professional photographer. That is why she always carries a camera. So what will come here? Carries a camera. Now the third one, we won't be able to join you. We won't be able to join you for your trip to Ladakh next month. We blank space go oblique are going there next week. So to show the near future also we use the present continuous tense. We won't be able to join you for your trip to Ladakh next month. We are going there next week. So what will come here? Are going. We are going. To show the near future action also we use present continuous tense. So in the first sentence is cooking, in the second sentence the general truth is said there. So the verb first form and es is added there, carries. In the third one, are going to say the near future. So you just note down this, all the answers is in your notebook. So I hope student the first and the second one you have done. So I just rub the first one and let's do the next fourth one sentence. What is the fourth sentence? The school blank space here in the bracket remains and oblique is remaining. Bracket completed, closed on weekend. And the fifth one is Mahi is a brilliant playwright. Mahi is brilliant playwright. These days she blank space is there, she in the bracket works oblique is working on a play about a woman becomes invisible. About a woman who becomes invisible. Now the fourth and fifth sentence I have written on the board. Now let's see which suitable verbs is there. So the first one, the school blank space closed on Wednesday. That means this is the general truth. So here we use the simple present tense, and in the simple present tense we use V1, remains. So this first one is remains is the correct verb to that sentence. Now the fifth one, Mahi is brilliant playwright these days. She is working. She is working. She is now these days means her activity is going on these days. She is working on a play about a woman who becomes invisible. Now the sixth one sentence is also there. Both the local football teams teams have made it to the final. They blank space playing are playing oblique are playing each other tomorrow. Now both the local football teams have made it to the finals. They are playing here also playing, but we use playing with the auxiliary verb, so are playing is the correct answer. It's correct verb. So they are playing each other tomorrow. Now you just note down this 4th, 5th and 6th one sentence, then 7th and 8th will do. So here in the 4th sentence the general truth is said. So for the general truth we use V1, and for the V1 according to the subject we use yes or yes. That's why we use here remains. The school remains closed on weekends. Mahi is brilliant playwright. This is the general rule. But in the second sentence, her action, what action she is doing in these days? So these days she is working on a play about a woman who becomes invisible. Now the sixth one, both the local football teams have made it to the finals. Now the general truth has done there. Now they are playing each other tomorrow. So here the nearest future is shown. So to show the nearest future also we use present continuous tense. So let's do the seventh and eighth sentence. So the fourth and fifth one I am rubbing from here. So the seventh number, usually Joy blank space in bracket reaches and oblique is reaching. Is reaching work on time. But he again the blank space and in bracket reaching, sorry, in bracket reaches and is reaching the same verb late today. And in eighth number, Bruno blank space does not sleep and here is not sleeping in his kennel today. In his kennel today, he blank space sleeps oblique is sleeping in my room. He is afraid of the thunder. Now here let's see the seventh one sentence. Usually Joy reach or reaching work on time. So general truth is there. So in the first blank space reaches is the suitable verb. Usually Joy reaches work on time, but he is reaching late today. Is reaching late today. That means the near future. Today the thing will be happening. To say the near future also we use the present continuous tense. So in the first one reaches and in the second one is reaching is correct. Now let's read the eighth one sentences. Bruno does not sleep or is not sleeping in his kennel today. So what is there is not sleeping. Bruno is not sleeping. Bruno is not sleeping in his kennel today. He is sleeping. Again here he is sleeping. He is sleeping in my room. He is afraid of the thunder. So here also is not sleeping because the continuous tenses is there, the action is showing there, the continuous action, current action. So Bruno is not sleeping in his kennel today. He is sleeping in my room. He is afraid of thunder. So here we have completed all 8 sentences by using the correct verb form. So you just note down this. Now here we have completed unit 7 present tense. Simple present we have seen, present continuous also we have seen. Focus exercise practice A, B, this both exercise we have completed. Now the extension exercise is your homework. So I just write the homework here. Your homework is complete the extension exercise. Complete the extension exercise. This is your today's homework. Now we'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.